So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And apart from I am wearing my favorite robe and I don't have a makeup right now, it is because I got a message that I'll be flying to Narita. That is why I am preparing my makeup for today. And naisip ko na rin i-video ito because one of my subscribers, her name is I Support Autism. So to you, Miss I Support Autism, and I too, this is my makeup routine. Baka makatulong to sa'yo. And actually guys, I'll be honest with you, hindi ko inisip na when I start my vlog, I'll be doing this. So without further ado, let me just discuss to you yung things na nilalagay ko. After washing my face, I dry it out with a towel. And then, first and foremost, I put that one. So I put it here sa palm ko and then just ganyan lang. I am still in the hunt of trying to replace this kasi medyo expensive siya. The next thing I put is Hadalabo. Serum to guys. So makikita niyo, hindi siya yung parang lotion. So, I put it on my face, pati sa lips. You just have to let it ipa-dry lang natin siya. Sandali lang naman mawala na yung stickiness and all that. And then now, what I'll put is the Magic Cushion of Misha. Ito, nilalagay ko siya para light lang. So, feeling ko mukha lang ang siya. Hindi, bababa naman siya. That's what I want with the Misha pala. So, while waiting for that, we're not gonna waste our time anymore. Ilalagay na tayo ng kilay. Ang next thing na ginagawa ko is to put sa cheeks. After blush on, naglalagay ako ng concealer. And I use this one. The Maybelline siya. And then we're gonna put powder. So we're done! Charot! You're asking ba't may effect. Ang init kasi guys, sorry. It's an Urban Decay darker shade. Ay, tapos normally guys, before pala ako maglagay ng mga eyeshadow and all that, naglalagay na ako ng lipstick. Ginagamit ko lang yung light tint ng L'Oreal. Ayan, para medyo mas reddish yung gitna from the outside. Then, para medyo bumaba yung pagka-brown niya, nilalagyan ko siya ng Estee Lauder na shimmer. Ayan. Sometimes I do put crease. To know pala, bakit tumatayo ng bongga yung eyelashes ko is because I put this thing called biotin. I put it in my lashes, not before I sleep, but I put it before mascara. So, nilalagay ko siya, ganyan. Pagkalagay, guys, just have to let it settle down, matuyo siya. After noon, I use this one. So, this is a Shiseido. Ginagawa ko yun guys para medyo lumaklap yung eyes ko. So, there you go guys. And there you go, Miss I Support Autism. This is how I look. That's what I do lang on my face. I don't put a lot of heavy things, heavy stuff. However, I am willing to be improved. Please do recommend any makeups or makeup routine that you use. Baka mas magamit ko siya, mas mapadali buhay ko. Let's help each other, diba? And then, after this, guys, magmamadali na kasi talaga ako. I'll be fixing for my Narita or Narita Japan flight. And then, maybe I'll be vlogging there. And thank you for watching, guys. And I hope you like it. And again, I'm not really a professional makeup artist. I don't know a lot of makeup, so what works on me might not work on you. Please, please, please do comment down below kung ano yung mga magandang pampalaki ng eyes but will give me a natural look. And then, gusto ko sana malaman kung may alam kayong pencil eyeliner that would be good for me. And then, lalo na monolid ako. Actually, no-lid na. However, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button down there. Down here yata. I've been taking you to different locations I've been. And hindi ko pa kayo nakakausap masyado. And I guess that's the time I have to open up my world and entertain all the questions, suggestions, and any comments that you have. Thank you so much guys for watching, and bye!